What is broken authentication? Broken authentication is the term given to attacks against an application's login mechanism. Broadly, broken authentication attacks can be divided into two areas of weakness: credential management and session management. Functionalities such as password change, forgot password, remember my password, account update, etc. are usually prime targets to exploit broken authentication issues. What scenarios can cause broken authentication? 1. The user credentials are not being protected when stored, such as in the database. 2. The login credentials are predictable or default credentials are being used. 3. The session tokens are being disclosed in URLs. 4. The session tokens are vulnerable to attacks. Session fixation. 5. The user sessions are not being properly invalidated after logout, or the session does not time out after a certain duration. What is session management? Web applications assign each of their users a specific session ID. This is used to track and uniquely identify each user. Session IDs are used to maintain the state of the user and require the web server to remember which user it is interacting with. These sessions are maintained by the server, and the session ID is sent with each request the user makes. What are session management attacks? 1. Session hijacking. 2. Session ID URL rewriting. 3. Session fixation. 4. Improper login. Session timeouts. What is the impact of broken authentication and session management? 1. Steal session ID and impersonate legit users. 2. Steal user credentials. 3. Steal critical data after accessing the system. 4. Impersonate users and cause identity theft. 5. Send fraudulent messages or emails. 6. Create fraudulent transactions. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.